Hi, I'm Shalev Amar with your Arizona Lemon Law Advocates. And what we're going to talk about today is some people wonder, what is the lemon law? They've heard that term, but they don't even know what lemon law really is. So let's talk about that. Before we get into that, a little bit about my background. I've been handling lemon law cases since all the way back in 2004, many years at this point. Ran my own firm as a managing partner for 12 years with another partner, and then a couple of years ago went off on my own with an amazing team of attorneys and support staff, and now we are handling more lemon law cases than ever, and we always put our clients first. So let's talk about the question that some people have. What is the lemon law? Here's what the lemon law is. The lemon law is basically a state law, and as of 1993, all 50 states have, quote, lemon laws. Keep in mind that the actual statutes, which are lemon laws, don't say lemon law in the statute. For example, in Arizona, the lemon law statute is called the Arizona Motor Vehicle Warranties Act. And so it doesn't say lemon law anywhere in the statute. The lemon law is basically, I guess you could say, a slang word to describe warranty enforcement statutes in the 50 states. And there's also a federal one called the Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act. So in Arizona, you have protection from the Arizona Motor Vehicle Warranties Act, which is the Arizona lemon law, and the federal Magnuson-Moss Warranty Act, which is basically a federal lemon law. And what the lemon law is it is a warranty enforcement statute. That's why for any lemon law to apply, you have to have a manufacturer's warranty on a vehicle, because what the warranty is it's basically an assurance of quality. What the warranty says is if you have a defect in materials or workmanship with your vehicle, if you have a problem, if you have some type of condition, if you have some type of defect, any type of repair issue that has to do with the way the vehicle is put together and the way it functions, the warranty is supposed to get the vehicle repaired at no cost to you, because again, it's an assurance of quality for the product for however long the warranty is. Typically, it's 3 or 4 years, 36,000 miles or 50,000 miles. There's also what are called powertrain warranties, which tend to be longer, and that's for engine, transmission, components like that. And so the lemon law steps in if the repairs are not made in a reasonable number of attempts or reasonable time, or if the manufacturer, the company that produced the vehicle, actually refuses to do repairs, refuses to abide by its warranty. So those are the ways that the lemon law comes into effect, because again, the lemon law is there to protect you, because you shouldn't be saddled with a defective product when you buy something brand new. And so that's why the lemon law is there. The lemon law wouldn't be necessary if companies did the right thing, giving people their money back or new vehicles, or at least compensating them when they had problems, but unfortunately that doesn't happen. So that's why we have a lemon law, and that's also why lemon laws have what are called, most of them, including Arizona, have what are called attorney's fee provisions, and that enables consumers to have their attorney's fees paid by the other side when a lemon law claim is resolved, because otherwise most people couldn't afford attorneys for lemon law cases, and even 1/3 contingency like they do for personal injury, that couldn't work for lemon law cases, because the problem is the vehicles tend to not cost as much, and 1/3 of the refund, for example, that wouldn't be fair, because then you would lose a bunch of money on the refund. So again, that's what lemon laws are. That's why we have lemon laws. Now, if you're dealing with lemon issues with a vehicle of your own, like I said, if you're having defect problems, too many repairs, too much time in the repair shop, please contact us for a free no obligation case review. Our website is ArizonaLemonLawAdvocates.com and our phone number locally is 480-237-2744. If your car's not up to par, call Amar.